Here are some tips on how to date after divorce. 1. Wait until you're ready. Don't rush into dating before you've had time to heal from your divorce. This means grieving the loss of your marriage, processing your emotions, and learning to be happy on your own. There is no set timeline for when you'll be ready to date again, so be patient with yourself. 2. Be honest about your situation. When you start dating, be upfront about your divorce. This includes telling potential partners about your current living situation, whether you have children, and if you're still legally married. It's also important to be honest about your emotional state. If you're not ready for a serious relationship, be sure to communicate that. 3. Take things slow. Don't expect to find your soulmate overnight. Dating after divorce can be a challenging process, so it's important to take things slow and get to know someone gradually. Don't put too much pressure on yourself or your new partner. 4. Set boundaries. It's important to set boundaries with your new partner, especially if you have children from your previous marriage. This means being clear about your expectations for communication, visitation, and holidays. It's also important to set boundaries around your physical and emotional intimacy. 5. Be kind to yourself. Dating after divorce can be a roller coaster of emotions. There will be times when you feel happy, excited, and hopeful. But there will also be times when you feel sad, lonely, and insecure. Be kind to yourself during these times and remember that you're not alone. Here are some additional tips. Do your own thing. Don't rely on dating to fill the void left by your divorce. Spend time with friends and family, pursue your hobbies, and take care of yourself. Be open-minded. Don't go into dating with a preconceived notion of what you're looking for. Be open to meeting new people and learning about different perspectives. Have fun. Dating should be enjoyable. If you're not having fun, it's not worth it. Dating after divorce can be a daunting task, but it's also an exciting opportunity to start a new chapter in your life. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success.